All right, what's up, guys? Good morning. We are live, going live on Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, and YouTube. Just a reminder, if you guys are on Instagram or Twitter, you're going to want to be on YouTube to put comments in. I'll have it pulled up so I can check it occasionally. There we go. Okay. Just going to post to our Telegram. If you're not in the Telegram, go ahead and join. Links in the video description. All right, good morning, guys. Good morning, Josh. Just scalped a win on gold and a UJ short. Nice, my brother. We are trading our very first day on this funded account. I believe JMO's getting on. He'll be here. What's up, John? Good morning. I have kicked back our risk to only one mini. So I changed my chart from the micros to the minis. We were trading like 34 up to 43 micros. We're obviously scaling back a good amount. This is going to give us about like $190, $200 a trade. And I want to build up like a monthly sample of wins and, manage this account properly and take a payout every like 2 to 4 weeks is the goal. So what's up, guys? Good to have everyone in here. Until he gets on, let me see if it kind of cuts my face off. I was going to see if that was a little better. But yeah, we're going to wait until the open. We got about 9 minutes, and then this is the first day in the funded account. It's going to be a good time. And just so you know too, I'm giving myself like we've got 3 trades we can lose in a row to blow that account, which when you're managing, risk like this, and when they are only taking 1 loss or 2 wins a day, you'd have to win or lose 3 days in a row. So we're being really conservative, but at the same time too, you got to remember we're going to win twice in a day. We're trying to hit 2 wins in 1 day. So that means we can really still build. If you're only going for 1 win a day or 1 loss a day, the times when you hit a loss, it's going to like take 3 days to dig out of that loss. Whereas it's going to take a day and a half to dig out of that loss when you're hitting 2 wins a day. So really our daily risk to reward is we're risking 3 to make 2, is kind of the game we're playing. So we can still build, and so on and so forth. What's up, Black Boy? You got a different name now. I don't see you. Bongang Cabo 1604. Good to see you, man. Let me if anyone's on Instagram or Twitter, just go to the YouTube, because the only comments coming through here are going to be Twitch and YouTube. I got my OCO bracket on. This is one thing I didn't know. If you guys don't know this, when you're trading on Project X, if you pass an account, or if I forget the other situation it happened in, but this is just 100 if you reset an account, if you get a new account, or if you pass an account, even though like you literally didn't do anything different here, it turns your OCO brackets off. I learned that the hard way last time. You have to make sure you remember to turn them on every time. If you guys do trade with OCO brackets, if you don't know what they are, they're just basically something that sets my stop loss and take profit automatically when I enter the trade. And so with going for relatively fast trades, it was like last time I didn't realize it wasn't going to set it, and I kind of scrambled. So I paid attention to it this time. We'll be good. We got about 7 minutes. I don't think we've got too much going on today in terms of news. We got Fed Chair Powell speaking at 12:20 p.m. On a day like this, what I've noticed in the past, if you got him speaking at like 12:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is like 3 hours from right now, what I would notice is the opening range, the first 15 minutes, it would move and then afterwards you would see the market just go sideways for like an hour. That's another reason I kind of like, we're kind of trading like that New York scramble, right? Like the open, everyone's kind of like scattering, prices running liquidity. We're trying to take advantage of that. So if it does go flat after, we should already be out of our trades and all of that anyway. But yeah, I hope everyone's having a good day. Is anyone else in anything? Are you guys trading NQ? I know I have a lot of like Forex traders too that have been trading with me in the past. I still got some pretty good methods on the Forex side of things, but I talked about it in previous streams. I just don't have the bandwidth to trade them just because they happen in midnight or 3 a.m. in the morning where I'm at, but they're super solid setups. Let's do this. On a low sweep, long sweeping into, I'd look for longs retracing into premium. That 4 hour fair value got mostly want to trade UJ. Oh, mostly want trade since UJ traders money. Gotcha. Okay. Cool. I do not know where JMO's at. I wonder if he's hopping on today. He texted me this morning, so we'll find out. We got about 4 minutes till anything happens, but I'll take a peek at what you're talking about. Oh, the 4 hour up here. I wonder if the micro chart even looks like this. Let's turn that down. Oh, there he is. He's here. We're gonna pop him up. What's up, Damo?
Good morning. Well, good morning. There we go.
There he is.
How we doing?
Good. How you doing, brother?
Doing good. You ready? Feeling ready to have your first day trading?
I'm ready. Yeah, I decided to kick back. That's so weird. It's literally popping up your what you're saying as subtitles on my screen. Windows did an update where it's like just giving me subtitles for everything lately.
Oh my gosh.
Even my conversations, apparently.
That's weird.
But I kicked it back to 1 mini. Yesterday I was on the line between doing 1 mini or 17 micros, and 17 micros would literally be half of what I was doing before. I was like, I'm just gonna stick with 1 mini and just, trade this account over a period of like 4 weeks and try to just stack.
I like that.
I was able to get your what's it called too, up the thumbnail.
I saw that. Looks cool.
Yeah, it's sick. I like it. It's like super clear too, which is nice. You want to have like that like crisp look to it.
Yeah. I'm glad it looks good.
Much love to you from Naples, or I keep thinking I'm in Naples. I'm in Bonita now, but from Florida in the US. I love my people in South Africa.
Yeah.
A lot of the pastors I listen to and prophets are from South Africa. They're really on their game over there.
It's a great
Honestly,
place.
most of the ones I listen to are from South Africa.
I like that.
Oh, okay. Trader Black Boy. There we go. It probably just put in something default while you were doing that. Gonna check. Yeah, people on Instagram, head over to YouTube. You probably don't have a good view. And Twitter's a good view. I just can't see the comments. I don't know why it does. I'm sure it's gonna fix itself over time. The streaming software, they'll update it.
Yeah.
Johannesburg. I know someone over there right now, actually, even a trader. I'm pretty sure he lives there. His name's James Bruce. I think that's where he's from. Oh, JMO, pop up your screen whenever you can. That way we just have it locked and loaded.
There we go.
All right, let's just
Okay.
make sure we're good. All right, we're good.
I'm debating
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
trading. I've got 37 micro contracts because that is the exact amount to hit the remainder of my challenge with a 20-point move. I'm
That'll
debating.
do it.
I'm not sure if I should or not, because that'll set me back at 50K if it loses.
Oh, you at 1-to-1?
Yeah, what's my minimum? Yeah, now my minimum is 49.5.
Yeah, dude, you just gotta ask the chat. The chat's gonna tell you just gotta risk the whole thing to make it negative
port.
RR. Just get to the other side. All right, boys, we gotta wait for this 1 minute to set. And then we're gonna probably take a sell at the bottom of it. Who knows though what's gonna happen? I was wrong yesterday, and then it went the other way, and we still caught the trade though.
We got a little bit of news. Nothing crazy.
I gotta stay a little locked in today though, because I'm gonna take 2 trades back to back, and they could happen back to back. So, all right, here we go.
Yeah, filled.
This is our opening range. Just quick 10 points after one after another. The market's moving like a good amount. Oh, it's moving a good amount. You guys see this little tiny little blue picture right here? That's 10 points right now. It's moving a lot, I think, after that collapse on Friday.
Yeah, it is moving. Oh. Yeah, switch back to your screen if you're looking for a trade as well.
Oh, am I not on my screen? I'm like narrating the whole thing. All right, yeah, I'm looking.
There we go. I just looked. I was dialed on my screen.
Yeah, I couldn't even see chat if anyone was saying, but yeah, we got this opening range. We're gonna look for a peak outside of one side or the other. Maybe a sell. We got an inside bar, not a complete. This isn't an inside bar. Ignore that. But this bar is inside of the previous range, closed inside of it. But we did peak out the bottom. That's cool. Okay. Peaked at the bottom. We'll see if we close at the bottom though. That's what we want. But like I was saying, you guys can see it before, but 10 points is not a lot right now. It's a quick move. If we close outside the top, we're going to buy. If we close outside the bottom, we're going to sell. It's going to be trade 1, then we'll reset and then get the breakout of that breakout candle for trade 2. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. People must stay away from gold unless they want a running tummy. Oh gosh. You getting wrecked by gold? I don't think NQ is going to be much better than for people. I don't think anything moves more than NQ. All right, let's get. This is the nice part too, guys, about trading OCO brackets. You can zoom in like this and pay attention to where that candle actually closes and try to just be able to execute manually the best you can. You guys know me though, if you've been watching any length of time, I always wait a little bit just to confirm the close outside of it, because I don't really care to be
order filled
early or whatever, and then we end up missing. because it closes back in the other way or whatever. This is trade number 1, but we have to remember if we break out and close lower than here, we'll get in another sell immediately. We have to hit TP though before. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's feathering it.
We wicked it, but if we don't hit it, I'm not going to enter another one. Seven seconds.
Order filled.
All right, and I'm
Nice.
going to take my second entry too because we closed that side of there. So we're just going to get in our second entry. That was like, you got to be locked
Order
in for that.
filled.
Yeah, that's 2 wins. That's $394.
There you go.
We're
Nicely
done,
done.
boys. Just like that. Man, my heart's beating. I'm not going to lie. Trading like this does make your heart beat though a little. I couldn't even fire off the second one to Telegram. I'm not going to lie. I got the first one off. Would let everyone know. Honestly, I'm just going to put one trade a day in there because you really can't let the Telegram know about trades this quick.
It's tough to do that.
Yeah,
15 seconds.
super tough. It's super tough. All right, I'm going to lock out though, just so you guys see all day.
Dang, this is moving.
2 plays already off the bat. $394.40. This is a real funded account now too, so we just made $400 today. I'm glad I took that second one, but look at the third one would have hit too.
It's moving.
The third one would have hit too. That's 30 points.
Yeah.
Thank you, Josh. Well, let's check out. It's probably giving us a fresh. Yeah, it always resets it so we can't even see, but we'll be able to see. This thing's going to be decked out like green lights by the end of the month. It should be green, and maybe like one red in there. I'm not going to say that, but yeah, I took 2 trades. I took 2 scalps right here. First one, and then the second one, because you got to remember the second setup, it literally happened like we took profit, but we were technically in the second setup, but we were close enough to entry. Like we got in a little shy. It was worth it for me to just get in because I would have preferred catching this candle here because I knew this one has a higher probability of dropping than this one because, I mean, yeah, that one does, and we could have waited for it, but at the same time, this candle closed, we took profit, so I pretty much just got in, even though it was like 2 seconds late. Yeah, it was too quick. The Telegram, I can't, like, I know people want to see trades in there, but you can't really do this in the Telegram.
It's way too quick.
I'm going to notify them, though. I'll take a screenshot and stuff.
Dang, so many candles. Wow.
So that's the quickest I've made $400 in a long time, I'll be honest.
Pretty nice.
Literally 2 minutes, $400 in 2 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna flip to you. I'm done for the day. I'm already locked out. That's how you do it, boys. You just catch what you came for and then you lock out. And I think JMO can agree. Having the stream is spent like it's made it super easy to lock out and just stay locked in.
Absolutely. Man, these candles. Each one of these 1 minute candles could have been a 20-point move for me. That is wild.
It's moving fast. Oh yeah, I trade ICC on Forex. I trade ICC on Forex. JMO, you let me know if something comes up. I'm going to show them what I'm talking about.
Right.
So, I mean, this is a futures account, but we can pull up a Forex chart. But the way I do it in Forex is I'll do it like this. Let's see if there's been anything recent. Yeah, this is a perfect example. I'm going to put you guys on game on how I trade ICC on Forex. You take a daily candle that breaks out of a previous one. So let's just look at the most recent daily candles. This is the most recent daily sell candle on Euro US dollar. It says 6 easy 25. That's just the futures contract for Euro US dollar. Now, this candle right here that broke out of this candle right here, you have to understand these form market structure, and ICC is a form of market structure. So basically, this is the indication, right? This is how I traded ICC. It was my own method of it, and it works, but you'll see that like it's on the daily time frame. And so when you get your entry, it could happen at 12 at night, 3 in the morning. I've been sleeping lately, so I haven't been trading this. I've been just trading futures NQ Open. But check out how accurate this is. You can't really bar replay on here, but you can see if we're basically looking at price after this candle breaks beyond this one, you look for price to pull back beyond there and then to trade lower. Now, all you would do is go to the 1 hour or 15 minute and you would see clear as day. Look at, I'm going to paint the picture for you, right? Price from here went down here. And what happens? You want to match that move in the market. So as soon as it comes back up again, you want it to match that move. So you wait for that indication, which to identify an indication for me was hard to do when watching SI. But when I've understood on the daily charts that break of structure candles on the daily chart actually give you that indication, you can see it's clear as day. Once you actually drop to a smaller time frame, oh yeah, that actually is where price broke out structurally, and then you just wait for it to pull back and then it repeats the same move. So just so you guys know, in case you're not tracking, this was the first move that told you what price was going to do, and then this is the second move, or you could even get in over here. That's the hard part, figuring out where to put your stop. You probably just put it below structure. You might get tagged out here or there, but where's price go exactly? It goes to the same exact spot that price went before. You can see to a T. And then what's happening? It's going the other way, and then you wait for the next setup, so on and so forth. That's how I trade ICC. And it's super accurate, but like, look, this is a perfect example. Price got back below this level at 1 p.m., like in the afternoon. So just random times, and then it does it again at 6:15, and then it does again. So this, and then it does it again the last time before it takes off at 3:45 a.m. So the hard part for me about this, and why I'm just kind of locked in with trading New York Open on futures right now, is because I didn't know when the setup was going to come, and you have to be watching price around the clock. Like, you just have to be. But I'm going to flip back to JMO right now, and that's kind of how I trade ICC though. So yeah, I do trade it. I just haven't been trading Forex right now. But when I do trade Forex, that's my best method, honestly. ICC or ICT? ICC is better. It just, the only thing ICT has locked down is time. So ICT tells you when to trade. ICC tells you got to just sit there and wait for the trade. But the probability of ICC playing out is way better than ICT, in my opinion. Yeah, I appreciate you asking. Yeah, because I kind of did transition just to futures without even saying anything. The market's still dropping, JMO.
Yeah, it's
melting.
It's really melting.
Let's see if I don't. Were you here when I said it in the beginning? I don't know if you were, because my mind was in a million places. But I was trying. I was saying basically, because we got Powell speaking at 12:20, that the market's going to move like crazy in the first 15 minutes, and then it's going to move sideways until then.
Yeah, probably
For like at least an hour. So that's why I was like, I want to be out before the first 15 minute sets. But we'll see, because it's the first 15 minutes is right now.
Yeah, this is the last minute, so we'll see if it chills out. It's moving a lot.
Wood drop to take previous day low as well. No bottom wick on that daily candle. Oh yeah, yeah. We've already taken it. Yeah. Oh yeah, size concepts are so much better in my opinion. I agree with you. I like ICC better. But one thing, so I'll say this: there's a third one, and that's CRT, which is Romeo, which is really Linda Richard, but it's turtle soup off of candle range theory. Candle range theory, I like too a lot. I like it a lot too. That's what I'm trading right now. So like, I know it kind of seems like I'm scalping randomly, but I'm really trading candle range theory off of 1 minute candles at New York Open on NQ futures. I'm just doing it a little different because there's two types of candle range theory. There's basically this theory right here, which let me draw it on for you. And JMO, same thing. Just let me know if something comes up and I'll flip back to you. But
yeah,
I'm going to do a little illustration. So there's basically two types of candle range theory that gets preached. And it's this, right? Let's draw that on. There's a reversal and a continuation version of candle range theory. Now this is right here. Let me make this like black because these are just going to be our candles. This right here, if a candle closes outside of a previous candle range, that is considered a continuation. If a candle wicks a previous candle range, that's considered an indication for a reversal. So you're either basically going to be looking to take price back up if price does something like this on a candle range, or you're going to be looking to take it lower if it closes lower. That is, I'm trading momentum at New York Open, so I'm trading candle range theory continuation is what I'm trading. And that's, so these trades, like, they have a real ground in reality. Not only at the New York Open are we looking to run with momentum, but also we're looking to trade with structure. And on the 1 minute time frame, these candle ranges, the very first candle of the day, once you break outside of it, that is a real continuation. Like, that price has accepted value outside of that candle range, and structurally it's moving and confirming in that direction. So that's I actually am trading CRT right now. I'm just trading a continuation CRT where most people are trading a reversal CRT. So that is that's my little lesson for the day. Yeah, CRT is ICT. You're right. You're 100% right. It's just a very condensed, simplified version of it. So JMO, it's make or break it today, right?
it is.
You don't have to risk the whole thing. That'd be funny though. That's kind of what I did, but clearly it didn't work on the first account, but also I wasn't trading CRT on the first one either.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lose everything, but I'm kind of back to scratch. I don't know. It's a risky play.
Thanks for the sub, brother. Yeah, we go live every day, Monday through Friday. There will be a little pocket of time at the end of this month where I won't be able to, just for 2 days, a Friday and a Monday. I'm going up to Michigan, but we'll be live every day though. Those are like literally the only 2 days that I plan on not being live the rest of this entire year. That's so funny. Right after that 15-minute orb sets, what's it do? It's moving sideways.
Yep.
Like we talked about. What's
That's
that
crazy.
called in options? You can literally bet on price moving sideways.
Is that true? That's great.
Yeah, you can
Wow.
bet on price doing anything in options, pretty much.
Wow.
We got a good crowd here today too. We got like 16. We had up to like 20. We got a solid audience now. Honestly, with just Josh alone, we had a solid audience. Josh holds it down. Josh will always be a day one.
He drops the sauce too.
You know, Big Daddy Max just bought a Rolls Royce.
I saw that. It's insane.
I wonder if he got it off trading profits.
Does he sell a course?
He sells everything.
Hard to say.
We're not even depositing right now. We're trading props right now, which it costs $50 to take the eval, and then it costs $150 to pass.
So
That's pretty much
100.
Yeah, that's the model that's like that every futures firm follows, honestly. Pretty much for a 50K. Here's what I might do, JMO. I thought about this. I'm gonna run this account up as much as I can, pull as much out of it as I can, try to get 5 payouts, try to go live. But after, I want to try something too. I want to see how much money I can make account. Full port every trade, but not risk the whole thing, because if clearly you're gonna lose one at some point.
Yeah.
But risk like a good amount every trade, like maybe 20% a trade, and just run it up as high as I can and see what I can do more with, and then document that. Can I make more money with prop for $200 because that's what this costs, or can I make more money with cash? My guess is prop, but we'll see too, because you get some margin with futures.
Yeah. It's a good test. I like it.
It'd be fun to do on stream.
Yeah.
But if we're making too much with prop, it's not gonna be. I don't want to stop just to trade a $200.
Yeah. Ooh, okay. We'll inverse this gap. Let's find out.
We might be on an 8-trade win streak right now, I think.
That's huge.
So 3-1's not that bad when you hit 8 trades in a row, you know?
Not at all.
So I haven't played Call of Duty in like a year, but Black Ops 7 comes out. I played Black Ops 6 for a few months, and Black Ops 7 comes out next month. And I just don't have time for video games, but I'm gonna have to make time, I think. Good morning. Good morning, Lou.
Insta. Awesome.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I hope that title worked to point people in the right direction. Oh, I've just checked the Instagram chat because the Instagram chat doesn't get over here. So that's why, yeah, the Instagram and the Twitter doesn't. But you just submitted a payout, is I think what you said, right? That's huge.
All right. All right, this could be the retest of the orb or a complete shift.
Oh, that 5 minute.
Yeah. I'm back inside this range, yeah.
Josh is long to London highs.
I like it.
London highs are up there. We didn't pull back at all today on us. Maybe a little on the first one. There's that break.
That might be it.
I'm 25. I haven't traded anything crypto related except outside of just like Bitcoin on Robinhood. And I did decent with it, but I just literally just bought Bitcoins and held them for like 3 months, and that was like a while ago. But that was like 2 years ago, and I haven't touched it since. So I'm wrong. NQ is not the fastest moving asset. Crypto is.
Crypto is for sure.
I think there's a statistic that said crypto's made more millionaires than like any other single endeavor in the entire world. I might be wrong though. That might be completely wrong, but
It's very possible how quickly it can turn around.
tried to sneak outside of the orb there and creep back in.
It just crept right back in. We got 15 seconds until a little bit of news, so we'll see what happens.
What about this? Anyone in the chat use VWAP? Anchor it to the open? I know a lot of people that do this. Yeah, I don't think I want that smoke either. After Friday. Yeah, we're always down to hear trade signals. I'll pull up a chart, see what you're looking at. You get a withdrawal on a cash, or you did a prop payout?
Yeah, Josh, this is just what I see on TradeZella. It's like every tiny little bit of news.
I don't think there's any on Forex Factory.
No, I don't think it has that much weight. Nothing's happened, so.
Minute orb is the same as the 15. I think. Yeah, it is.
It's really respecting the orb right now.
You bearish, JMO?
Right now, yeah.
Oh, I don't know if I'll take the trade. I'm locked out. I'll check it out though. I'll put it on the chart. See you tomorrow, brother. Thanks for popping in. God bless.
God bless. And it really slowed down after that first 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm. We're premium. Let's see if we clear these equal highs right there that just chopped up on the 1 minute. Those double wicks.
Oh yeah.
If we clear those, it could drop.
See what happens.
So I didn't drink coffee yesterday or any caffeine for the first time in like a long time. And I actually had dreams last night that I remembered.
Wow.
My soul's returning to my body.
Maybe that's why I don't have dreams.
Yeah, that stuff can't be good for us. Stays in our body for like after you drink 1 cup of coffee, it literally doesn't leave your system for like 1.5 to 2 days. It's crazy.
Yeah. I never noticed that because I have it every single day. And I drink it all day.
Because it never leaves.
It never leaves.
No, I've been though. I get it. I wonder if Twitch is getting streamed too. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, Twitch is live. The problem is on Twitch, it doesn't save my videos ever.
Oh, that is annoying.
I don't know how to use Twitch really. I'm locked out of my account. I can't take it. I'll put it on my chart though and we'll look at it, but I can't take any trades right now. I'm locked out. Plus I honestly don't want to take any other trades apart from the ones I'm taking right now. The bias has flipped.
It has. It has. Break that fair value gap. Let's see.
Such quick moves today, right?
Yeah. I mean, all these candles, like, sometimes 20 points is a lot. This is just, like, that's such a little move. Let's see where it wants to go. Wow. It's confusing. Oh, I need some clear action here.
Either that or another cup of coffee.
That too. That too. Could help.
More free viewers. Probably not free.
The Twitch comments are awesome.
That's what I get for setting up a new Twitch profile. I'm gonna have to expect it to be like that for a while. I've never had any comment like that on YouTube in the last few years of doing this. It's crazy.
Yeah. I think maybe YouTube does a good job at filtering them out.
Yeah, it probably does.
Doesn't like bots. All right. We have to be patient right now.
Remember, if you guys are, I'll say it here and there, but if you guys are on Twitter or Instagram, the comments won't come through. So just join over on YouTube. Oh gosh. Play back.
Whoa. Josh's lungs are holding on. Here we go.
I personally am trading like a CRT candle range strategy off of the New York Open, and JMO's trading like the opening range, the orbs.
Yeah. Kind of base it off support and resistance within that range.
But break higher. Oh, I gotta update my banner. We are getting more towards that 10K goal. We're at 4.27 now. I'm gonna update it.
On YouTube?
Yeah. I put a banner here for like so that on Twitter and Instagram and Twitch, people like realize that this isn't like just a new thing since all those channels are new. And so they can actually join the YouTube. I mainly am just using those channels just to draw people to the YouTube live stream. I'd rather just everyone be in the YouTube one, but
Yeah.
we're at 7.27K subs.
Alright, so we broke.
Yeah, Josh is in longs.
Yeah. I do like the longs.
We literally came all the way back up to the 9:30, or no, we're about to hit 9:30 open. We're just under it right now.
Let's look for a little pullback. I think we try longs.
I don't think it's a bad move because literally we're on the side of volume and it's this close to hitting the open.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, that is spiked quickly.
The chat wants to know, will JMO pass today?
I want to know. No, I will. We're being patient. We're going to take a good entry. And I will pass.
It's crazy that 1 minute candle right now is literally that 20 ticks.
Like that would, yeah. That would make or break me depending on if I end. That would have been better to enter down there, but that was a strong candle.
Yeah, it's only Tuesday too.
Yeah.
Still got 3 more days this week.
Full week left.
It is cool though, because I think we only got like 7 people on YouTube watching, but we've got like 20 people watching overall. So
yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, the broadcast is working. If you guys are watching somewhere else, go to the YouTube, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. We're live on YouTube every day. We're playing around the open.
Yeah.
Josh, you're good. Just comments done or something, and I'll make sure you're involved in it. Let me just do that because if they're new channels, people probably don't have, like since I don't really have a lot of followers on these channels. Oh, I guess I can't edit it now. Oh well. But yeah, just comment done and you're good. You're good to be a part of that.
Okay. Oh my.
Oh, that's cool. There's like a little quote in here that's like tailored to you. Your most
that's cool.
successful trading time appears to be 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Consider focusing more on your trading activity during that time slot.
That is cool. Dang. Do I get one? Monday seems to be your best trading day. Interesting.
It tells you don't trade the rest of the week.
Sit the rest of the week out.
Like, brother, just don't trade Tuesday, Wednesday,
Oh,
Thursday, or Friday.
look at that. Broke out. Wow. There's some volume. Let's look for. Dang, that candle too. Huh? We could play the orb to the upside now.
It's crazy. What's his name? ICT literally called price going right here, right now, like 25 minutes ago
Wow.
on Twitter. Literally to 24,660.
Wow. That's pretty solid. All right. Same thing. Wait for a pullback and to long.
Josh, are you in that UJ trade on a cash or a prop? Oh, on cash. Cool.
It's the same thing that happened beginning of the orb. There was no like full pullback or retest. It was just a little candle and then continued. I think that is moving.
Volume's starting to kick up again, too.
Yeah. Not even gonna get a good pullback entry.
We
Just
might
gonna
have to update everyone tomorrow if you don't get it. If you're going to stay on today.
Yeah, I mean, we'll give it a little bit longer and then I'll call it.
Because we'll close stream at 10:30 from now on.
Yeah.
Just to stick with that 1 hour. But if you stay on, we'll keep everyone posted tomorrow.
Yeah, true.
That's how it plays out. You don't have to get off just because the stream ends. need food.
Same here.
It'd be nice if this max loss limit didn't trail up.
Yeah. Once you hit 50, it doesn't. It stays there, but so you want to build a cushion from there. But
Yeah.
plus 20 points.
We just need 4. Yeah, we gotta have a guest on the show soon. Oh gosh. You know who that is, JMO?
No.
He said y'all gotta have a guest on the show soon. Hey, if you get an account, if you spend the $50 and get an account, I'll even give you they have like a dashboard discount code that says -25. If you get an account, I'll have you on the show. All right. It's $36. You know who that is, right?
I think I do now. Yeah.
Hey, Bo, just so you know, we're funded and we hit $400 today on these 2 little baby trades. So you get on, there'll be more where that came from. We made $400 a day in 2 minutes, and I know that's music to your ears. do you know who it is? It's Noah.
Been watching. Very good.
I'm gonna have to let me go to your YouTube channel. I want to subscribe. I don't think I've picked it out yet on like my end. We can have up to 8 seats in here.
That was the pullback? Wow.
A little baby pullback within a candle.
I need more confirmation than a baby pullback like that.
All right, we're subscribed. Boat. So a boat with 2 cop cars. We'll make it happen. You let me know. We'll be streaming the rest of this month, except for the 31st. We're gonna take Halloween off, not for the sake of Halloween, but I'll be in Michigan, and then we'll take the 3rd off too of November because I'll be in Michigan as well. Oh, it's 10:30.
All right, let's close out.
Josh's TP hit.
Nice.
We'll close out. If you need to watch still, it's like kind of like when you're in the car with family and you're praying on the road and someone still needs to drive. Like I know you're still looking for a setup. So
I'm being overly patient today.
that's good though.
Yeah.
Sometimes, even if you don't take anything after stream, a flat day is better than a red day. But
Absolutely.
yeah, don't feel bad if you want to pray and watch because I know you're locked in. But we're gonna still close out. So. Father, we just come to you in the name of Jesus. We just thank you for today. Thank you for all the brothers that you're bringing together in this community. I thank you that we're able to have good conversation and build each other up. Help us to lean on each other when times get hard and to just be there for each other long term. I just thank you that you're going before us with this journey, with this platform, and that you're building something that's going to just that it's going to be here for a long time. That way we can really grow in life, not just as traders, but together as humans, and to actually make an impact on the world. Whereas trading might not actually have an impact, we're just clicking buttons on a screen. But if we can get together, we can make it about community and about people. That's where your blessing is. That's where you want us to be. So Father, just help us to continue. Don't let the enemy knock us down when it gets hard, and just help us to keep going. We love you. We just thank you for everything you're doing in our lives. Thank you for all the things that you're sorting through in our hearts that we don't even know that we're dealing with. You're just constantly working on our behalf. And just I pray that you open all of our eyes to what you're doing in our lives today. And just help us to read your word more. That way we can hear your voice more and stop hearing all the lies of the world. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. We will come back and JMO will be funded tomorrow. He'll give us the update. All right, boys?
There we go. There we go.
All right. I love you all. We'll see everyone tomorrow. We
All right,
might
see
have
you
a
again.
guest soon. We might have a guest soon. The Dalton team.
We'll see.
All right. See you guys. See
All
you,
right,
Jim.
see ya.